Currently, delegates all across 16 regions of Ghana, MPP delegates, 16 regions of Ghana nyinaa no. Finally, in some or more kan nyinaa ne say elections ne de between Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and Kennedy Akpom-Preku Japan. Even though say in Penifua omoko forms say 2026 omo pese delegate eto omo so aba na omo be lead the NPP amanyuku no. Even though say Sam Penifua no enum anase 5 then so omuhwemu dia elections no between Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and Kennedy Akpom-Preku Japan enti woko all over 16 regions of Ghana any constituencies akodoa ewo oman ni mu nyina dia ukopie mu ho dia delegate no omumu achemienu a efa bi ewo Kennedy Akpom-Preku Japan side sanso na efa bi ewo Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia aside. Now we see gradually getting closer to 31st January 2026 delegates no ebe kwa akoto aba yi pani a omobedi omanim for 2028 elections. Na sisi amene mo kasa ide impenifo ya mebo omudin Kennedy Akpom-Preku Japan ene Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia guso a omode omaprobo no ewo all over Ghana na anu ada na Kennedy Akpom-Preku Japan de ne de ekopie mu ewo Western Regional onim penifo ahodo ewo ho sanso na delegate ahodo a ewo ho no ekotwetwe nkomo de ne policies a 2028 elections o hwe ani mu se o wi ni a obeye de abo oman Ghana ni nyina no ekoto penifo nanimu a na chese anigye ne ade na nya asenketua ewo ho kra sanso na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia so ne de eninam Eastern Regional or no so kwehia mpanufo ewo ho de ne policies ni ade 2028 de so wi ni a enioma a opese wo ye nyina no odi ni nyina no ekoto ho no mu a enya asem ketua na busia ye nyina nim say from the start of this elections and as a preparation towards this election day day in day out camp ahodo mienu omo ba abonten ebetoto short de mane omo ho a enya asem ketua enenso amanfo bi omo Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia camp aba abonten aba abekire say secret ahodo a omo nim de fa the camp of Kennedy Akpom-Preku Japan sanso na Kennedy Akpom-Preku Japan na mu no omu kire mu a secret ahodo a omo wo de fa ne ho no enya asem ketua no omo kire say it is time a was nka NPP amanyuku no leaders ewum take actions against Kennedy Akpom-Preku Japan and one or two things be omo hu de afa papa no in some there chese omo buru bi so yie pan bebo awram ni akwa akotie ensam ahodo a omo de tu ho nyina na ebesese abusia onya subscribe ya no abomode anu subscribe na afensu wa kire wa adwen comment section ho no yembo rem ne ba de aka nyina no ye de ato amso
sedeu ntuye bibia omuntime ka no mo hwe na mia sebi me so sa woni ma no so ebe se de bia me na me ba kan asem ken say ye po bia eni per analysis na ye no obi on qualify san ko be flag bearer yo per your own analysis say utimi ka say ye ko election ye lose with the margin 80 per one analysis a margin enti Dr. Bawumia nye candidate o say delegates manisa ko ken ye do krom wo one constituency per Asen Central hono ye do hope na de bejejo usiti what na so 20 something years a wusi form what men grumi obia ho a MPP ni mapa biara amana take over from you see you rate with the constituency kwa on qualify be bia so ben flag bearer kunya no be bia on ben ho be bia with just your constituency on qualify afi ye ba ye premise na o percentage na wunya ye no o percentage no endu dia Dr. Bawumia wo general elections 41% no o percentage wunya 30 something na wo wiawia no ye ka obi an performance ye o party ma ye fa no kam aba ya bro na me de bia me ka se wo nya MPP ni we ye typical NDC na MPP fo anyi we fi party ni mu a wo begu party na show ke yapon wo ye typical NDC wo nya MPP ni mo hu evidence bebre meetings bi a wo ne President Mahama eyire ayeye ne kwan a o fa so a break MPP down amom ya na oguso aye wo nya MPP ni wo MPP mu for wa fu contracts in abagie party ni ko opposition it will kill party ni opposition the nya asem ne enka di levy aba a point say a 20 say Ghana ye twa to Ghana for so Ghana ni to 1 gallon of fuel bia obetwa 4 cedis 50 pesos na Madwo Mahama 1 gallon per 1 gallon it's Ghana ni eto 2 gallons a driver for eto 2 gallons a day a omutwa 9 cedis na Madwo Mahama Ken e levy ni etwa 1 cedi upon sika bia wo sending this is the time I would the party na enema we na yen Ghana for pemu chinchemu yenye we dress am na kokoye wo Church of Pentecost wo ayi mampon ho no yenye we dress am no ofa se wo so be koso akoni se ya ye mu bi the strategy kwa ye dey pa so ye be sesa no ensema me ba be kan wo are this is your last and your first and last warning Ken, this is your first and last. What did Dr. Bawumia enim young a form yema yen spell? Unwachivushio. Ye popubit me di Ghana ni ma Ghana for Hena and yo. Ghana force one way ya. Ghana force would di matem. Ghana force a wet tramumpua because Ghana mine here for the dorsal. Now was whom we here for Nesca for as I may here for Kabi. It's your pobia Ghana from Penny Masha a yo. It may found to 2 Dr. Bawumia baby. This is your last warning. Men found to 2 Dr. Bawumia be baby carry Japan men make us as my child. Ben Dr. Bawumia be bia. Don't even try that thing again. So who attack Papa ni bima? You be boss fully yet John Mahama and this betun chain. Now Ken, my whole by 3 years non stop, I swear to God. Manuesi, we've had enough of you. NPP party, hey, the leadership, the current leadership, me who beat that. Me who beat that. Check chairman, I say do get ya. I don't tell you cops must start some more cancer my tia partner. O me you must in change. Where are they? And you know matter how much my win elections. And then I can Japan ya party leadership. Who are you? Justin Kodriani chairman, chairman team money at the more home. Can Japan or one party? Partner started campaign and you be a partner started campaign. Campaign time on Sue, your quay, as you can Japan official your Bema or so be a partner. It's a year air corner or the quiet campaign. I quite attack Dr. Bomibium. But Ken, we are our last time. Yours am catch one, my catch on. The last one in ye. The next time, ye. The next time, ye, catch you playing. After one would in a chair, would be dear money, maybe yellow. The catch him. Would a mumble me comment as a metro and phone. But Kenya Japan, there is no Robert Medi present. Don't mean the president or Canada. In a worst situation, in a worst scenario, say, oh, we need flag bearership, no crime. Some of us will make sure say we pulling down any better position 100 years. We don't care. Because, sir, Subanwe. Now, then our qualification, Papa Ben, our Jim Biepa, what Jim Biepa, Jacaba party say, Yava Ghana amount. O party pona is Yava Ghana amount. Ah, when he brad yes, I no credit one no maka. Can when he brad yet the papa me who soon prefer the whole Ghana. The population now the way they prefer you. Me na make a show. John Mahama aba ye kotu ye. Difference when onya 115,000 pen onya kan ho. On some kikan o premise ni se party for ebufu o man kotu aba in a mayor opposition. You get the net so we criticize Dr. Bawumia. Bema per bit na kra ni ya twede. Na wo hwe won was a president. Wo hwe won a ebusu panyi kra won se no abe se president. Masa me anwi en ho kra. The next
sector. Omo hu sa alert no. Omo ntumi oya na omo si fake. Uko Ministry of Finance website it is there. Ochire debt obeto ye. Ochire de wagya wo. Ade we ko parliament MPs both MPP and NDC omo debate ara meboa. What is NDC for raise issues and some president Akufo-Addo kan na enya no kre. Meaning said you can na no kre. enti the oja ho no e na 8 years na obe manage ya yenya power no e na
over saying
2.5 billion
and what just say
2.5 billion
but you say one for be account
that's why we call the management. But we had the accumulative level from President Kufuor time to Mills time to John Mahama time to Akufo-Addo time. Akufo-Addo government did better about energy sector, and we enjoy electricity for 8 good years. Somewhere 2 months, you have some challenges. And non near minimum can Okruma, your friends and Ratanti Bumra. Napoko Kirby, hey, and the campaign, and nobody, oh, and I did a kikaka. And I make us associate this way, a kukua. Moye Sanema Wina, and a dear young crowd, my hen say. Sad debt we scour one city we are see a metria or gallon beer, a first liter beer, 4.5 cities per gallon. We actually last month here, why increase the electricity by 14.7%?
Almost more money. IMF
tell the Marines.
IMF adjusted agreement.
So they are telling us this quarter we are quarter we are they're going to increase.
Yeah, there should be an adjustment. I'm hearing 8%.
You will chroma.
Electricity tariffs will go up about 8%.
IMF conditionalities no. 2017 MPP bar power IMF.
Yes.
There was something our nature say you employ for a
yeah.
Next is 4 years school to Kuma 5 good years.
A backlog.
But Abano Bermuno can say no, we can't continue this. They negotiated with IMF and nurses were employed. Is that not a fact?
That's right.
So if you have come to me something, I will say IMF continuation, go back to IMF and negotiate with them. And I will negotiate. So those things that they should not tell us at all. That's why Ghanaians voted against it. That's why Ghanaians voted. And Ghana near Utiemi Awashemi and Opawi. Aside Safu we are because of incompetence. Omotina say anankane obode for yetikwa ba. Oil marketing companies or Muntia named Piachna on to sell no better say a say ecosystem for no.
It is a platform for former MCs who have dedicated themselves to spend their energy, resources, and time in support of Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia's agenda of leading the party and leading your friend is saying MPP in for the 2028 elections.
Hold on. Great. Former near FMR, former MMDCs for DMB. I've seen that, but say Obi MMDC former war main platforms Neswa. How would they know about such a group? They want to be.
You may not know because the onboarding process that the group uses is a one-to-one engagement. So, on the forum, what we do is that say Ebia Obi UMC and a Dominic EMC and a Obi Oba forum Noswa. You would also pick one MC that you have a very good relationship with, have a conversation with, and do two things. Either you are going to validate where the person actually believes we should move towards. If the person believes in DMB, then you will recommend the person and place him on the platform. Then the person now will come and join because this person believes in that, and the conversations that will be held on that platform, he can comfortably contribute to it, or at least be there, and there will be no issue. The second level is that Obi Okoni DMB. But somebody says this one, he doesn't support Dr. Bawumia, but may Kusua Menene Kasa. It's already Kasa ne do baby. A failure, which we are convincing of what he has said, I may Jumamawa, no Abajani. Not to say the MMDC who supports Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia forum. No. It's not for necessarily vote for Dr. Bawumia and I say, vote Dr. Mahamudu, almost remember Dr. Bawumia. They are spending their resources to support Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia. And this resource, it includes time, energy, money, and network. What do you remember? 90 to 95% of Yenya Ebe MC and MPP, no, we are party executives. Though. And Lord should know, say, almost all his colleagues on that platform are party executives. They are all senior party people. Some of them constituency chairman for 16 years. Some of them constituency secretary for 12 years. Some of them, they've gone through the mill from bottom to end. Obi me, I keep telling you, I started from the bottom. We started from the bottom. police station youth organizer, police station chairman, constituency deputy youth organizer, constituency youth organizer. I was campaign manager for my constituency 2008, 2012, 2016. So so everybody on that platform, no, top MPP activists or Juma at the local level. It's a more than Kwa. But we respect everybody's choice and everybody's inclination. That is why we are not going to say all former MMDCs, and I'm surprised the Lord is even fighting this. Maintain that it, because the group hasn't said anything. Obi, did you see say on the forum statement?
No.
Exactly. Putting all former MMDCs together in the last 8 years, it's over 300. I think 301. I have the data. The 301 are not, all of them are not on that forum. They are not in that group. Why? Because somebody like Lord, who doesn't support Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, will not be in that group. And if you are not in that group, you don't fight over this. I really don't get the head and tail of it. You get 220. Yeah, dear. You say, yeah, no. You say, yeah, holding any BBA about Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, Babishia, Oshia, no. 220 and say, you say, yeah, dear, no more Samutuja. Now, I said, yeah, Tigum. Near call your constituencies, the other constituencies are your friend is saying networking relationship or hawk. Near call a governising, near mobilizing my Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. So, Lord, only, and don't forget, say, Obi 220, 301, 220. It means that Akabaye 81.
Yes.
If you, Lord, you belong to the group of 81 who have not as of yet, one, made a decision as to who they support, or they support other candidates, you are free to make the point you are making. And honestly speaking, I don't fault him with the point he's making, because he is right. He doesn't belong to the 220. He's not part of us. And he's not lying. He's right. He's not part of the 220. But that doesn't mean that those of us who are part of the 220, we cannot also declare where we are.
Okay,
so
acquire
belong somewhere.
Yes, but miracles acquire numbers gain. And what WhatsApp can do for you now, and it's at least we can see when this group was formed, and we can see the total number of members in this group.
Absolutely.
So if you can share that info with me, Ababuame.
Right away. Right away.
And then we'll let the public know clarify.
But who can't say maintenance of we were here when about a week or two ago, some people came together and said, oh, we have 50 MPs on our side. If on the Bawumia side, we didn't say anything. We never came to say they are lying, they don't have 50. Meaning maybe I'll go see 50. Then the MPs themselves will be